U.S. Treasuries took that.
Listen up, Rebels. Rebel Leader here, and today I want to delve deeper into the Rebel mindset and talk about the importance of pivots. What I mean by pivots is shifting your mindset when something goes wrong, or if you want to change your mind, or if you simply want to go in a new direction that you previously didn't see something based on your experience, based on your new values, based on something that inspired you recently. It's always important and it's a good thing to be able to shift and pivot your way through not only life, especially in businesses and the stock market. Now, when I first say the word pivot, you probably are thinking about that famous Friends scene where Ross carrying a sofa down New York City apartment stairs, and this illustrates perfectly, of course metaphorically, what it means to be able to pivot. For example, say you're heavily invested in a lot of tech stocks or a lot of SPACs currently, and you see a downturn in the market. One, should have been diversified to protect yourself from this, but it's okay to take your money out if you see a better opportunity in the market. You want to take your money out of big tech and maybe put it into smaller up and coming growth companies. It's always a good idea to really explore opportunities when they come. Best example of this is when a stock runs up really fast. This happens a lot of time. Most recently, I think Palantir and Revolve have jumped really rapidly. You kind of have to think if it's time to now sell, even though you're big on those companies, just because there's another opportunity in the market. Right now, Tattooed Chef is presenting a great opportunity with his buying point at $16. It's taking something you have in mind that you maybe have not built out your position in, or you see that there's simply better opportunity. It's okay to change your mind. Because if you're huge on, let's say, NIO, for example, in electric car companies and vehicles. But as more information news comes out, maybe you become less steady in your conviction. Maybe you kind of want to pull out of the electric vehicle space. Again, there's so much growth there. I don't know why you would, but it's okay to take that money and put it all on Facebook. It's okay to pivot and change your mind and your mindset as you go through the stock market, because that's how you learn and grow. And honestly, if you think about the big picture, one of the greatest human powers is actually having the ability to change your mind. And it's okay to change your mind. And I want to focus more on the strategic benefits and the strategic methods of changing your mind, and not necessarily randomly going about it one day because you're bored or you want to try something new. You want to try to avoid that. What you want to do is kind of stick to your plan that you've laid out, but you also want to be able to free yourself up if you do find an opportunity to pivot, whether it's in a business plan that you're trying to launch, whether it's stock market, or in your day-to-day lives when you're trying to decide what to do. Okay, Rebels, that's the Rebel mindset. Rebel Leader, over and out.